We are now into the off season for Dorney Park, and I don't know if you guys could see, but right there, the very first pieces of track had now been installed for Iron Menace. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. Yeah guys, the first pieces of track have now been installed for Iron Menace. Very, very exciting. I didn't think that they actually installed them, but we got the brake run installed. Amazing. So yeah, it looks like the station and the pieces going down into the bridge are already here. At this rate, guys, if Dorney keeps up this rate, this is going to be a very short season of construction updates. I hope that's not the case because I really enjoy doing these. But, yeah. Hopefully in the next upcoming weeks, we start seeing work on the lift hill. So, I'm really excited for this. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Iron Menace construction update. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. A little bit different than Wildcats Revenge. But it's certainly going to be a fun time. Unless you haven't been to Dorney Park, you can just see how much this place just sits in the valley. I mean, they don't call the entire area of Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus, the Lehigh Valley for nothing. But unless you haven't been here, you don't see that. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to this off season. Hopefully it's not too short, like I said, but yeah, we should still have a fun time just as we did for Wildcats Revenge, and I'm very much looking forward to it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next construction update. Bye-bye.